Hello students. Hello. Yeah, hello students. Hello. Okay, today let us see very short answer questions for coming IPE examination. Question number 1. Right. Here question number 1 is find the domain of the following real valued functions. So calculating domain is important. Here it is not allowing me to write on the screen. So let us go with explanation today. I can try to write it in the next class at least. Right. So find the domain of the following real valued functions. Here we have some model questions. Total 10 questions are there. Calculating a domain is important. Basically domain is nothing but the input which we are where the function is defined. Domain is the input where the function is defined, that we have to calculate. Here different models are given. Question number 1 is quadratic, question number 2 is square root functions, question number 3 is modulus function, and question number 4 is log, and question number 5 is square root again. Question number 6 is under square root quadratic, question number 7 logarithmic, question number 8 is square root, question number 9 log. So different kind of questions are there. So finding domain is important. Okay, if we see question number 1, 1 over 6x minus x square minus 5, we can write it as 1 over x minus 1 times 5 minus x. So the function is defined everywhere except x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. So what could be the domain? Domain is R minus set of 1 comma 5. And let us see question number 2. F is equals to 1, 2, 2, negative 3, 3, negative 1. Then find 2f, 2 plus f, f square and square root of f. So small point I can tell you, there is no change in the domain. Domain should be domain always. Okay. So the operations what we are doing, 2f means f should be multiplied by 2. F should be multiplied by 2 means the range should be multiplied by 2. And 2 is added to f means 2 is added to only range. F squared, range is squared, square root of f, the range is square root, we have to calculate. Got it? Next question number 3 also similar question. And here question number 4, f comma g are real valued functions defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1, g of x equal to x square, then 3f minus 2g of x. This is also similar model question. Next question number 5, f from R to R, g from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 1, g of x equal to x square plus 1. Then find f circle f of x square plus 1, f circle g of 2, g circle f of 2a minus 3. So 3 different questions are there. Here the circle operation defines the product of the functions. F circle f of x square plus 1 is there. What does it mean? f of x square plus 1, where f of x is 3x minus 1. So f of x square plus 1 is 3 times x square plus 1 minus 1. We got 3x square plus 2. So f of 3x square plus 2, nothing but 3 times 3x square plus 2 minus 1. By simplifying, we can get 9x square plus 5. In a similar way, we can do f circle g of 2 and g circle f of 2 also. G circle f of 2a minus 3 also. And next, question number 6. Find the range of the following real number functions. So in the first question, we calculated domain. Now in question number 6, we are going to calculate the range. So range, already I told you, domain is input, where the range is output. So let us take y is equals to given function, and y values we have to calculate. Right? This is also important for IPE exam. What we are discussing here, what are important questions to the exam, not the complete theory part. And question number 7, like similar question, f circle g, g circle f, but here it is like the composition of 3 functions, f, g and h. So f circle of, g circle of, h of x we have to calculate. And question number 8, find the inverse of the following function. This is also important for the exam. So here, when the inverse of a function can exist, when the given function is bijective, then its inverse can exist. So here f of x is ax plus b, then what is its inverse? So f inverse of x is equals to x minus b by a. You know already the process, what to do and how to do. Right? This is also important model. In question number 9, it is already surjective, means onto function it seems. Then what is b they are asking? B means codomain they are asking. Codomain and range should be same for surjection. Question number 10 also same. Question number 11 again repeated composition, like f circle, f of x. This is also important. It is also important model for 2 marks. Next one is find the domain and range of the following real valued functions. We have discussed already. Domain and range questions are important for the exam. We have to prepare compulsory. Next, question number 13. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x over 2. Then show that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equals to 2 times f of x times f of y. This is not regular question, but only substitutions are nothing else here. Only substitutions, left hand side, right hand side, we have to simplify, that's it. Question number 14. F from R to R and G from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 2, g of x equal to x square plus 1. Then find g circle f inverse of 2 and g circle f of x minus 1, f circle g of 2. It is also composition of functions, but here inverse function also included. F inverse also we have to calculate. Define the following functions and write an example for each. Yeah, you know all the definitions, like what is one function, what is onto function, what is even and odd function, and bijection function. This is completely related to theory part. Question number 16. F from n to n defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 3 is f onto. We have to verify whether f is onto or not. If it is onto or not, then why it is not. That reason we have to write. This model also important. Next, question number 17. F from R to R is defined by f of x equal to 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Then show that f of tan theta equal to cos 2 theta. This is just a substitution. And question number 18. This model question already we have discussed in the above. Question number 19. This is also like G circle, composition of functions. Question number 20 also just substitutions. Question number 21 also substitutions. Question number 22, yeah, range they are asking. Already I told you range is important. Question number 23, f of 2012. Yeah, this is important for competitive, but let us see once. F of x equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x divided by sin square x plus cos power 4x. Now first let us simplify. Then cos square x plus sin square x whole square. Then everything should be written in terms of cos in the numerator. Same thing, do it in the denominator also. We are getting 1. So 1 is independent of the variable. Then it is a constant function. For any domain it is 1. Not only f of 2012. F of 2024 also 1 only. So those are the important questions in functions for very short answer type. Next, let us see matrices. In matrices, the question number 1, like A is given, B is given, finding the unknown matrix. So here X is the unknown matrix, so X we have to find out. This is just a simple substitution. Question number 25 also simple substitution. Question number 26 also just by comparing two matrices are equal if and only if their position elements, their respective position elements are same, like A11 is equals to B11, like that. Respected positions are equal. So first element equal to first element, second element equal to second element. We can use the word like corresponding elements, right? That is important. And the trace of a matrix, yeah, this definition is important for the exam. Sum of the diagonal elements is nothing but a trace. One example also given here. One question is given, we are calculating its trace, that is 1. Important. Question number 27 is important for the exam. Question number 28 also important. Define symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. We know already what is symmetric and what is skew symmetric. The transpose of a matrix equals to given matrix, we can call it as symmetric. If the transpose of a given matrix is equals to negative of the given matrix, that is skew symmetric matrix. Right? The definitions, all the definitions are important, sir, for the exam. Next, question number 29. Yeah, it is symmetric, it seems, then we have to find X. Apply symmetric matrix definition. A transpose equals to A. Next, question number 30. What is question number 30? A is equals to 0, 2, 1, negative 2, 0, negative 2. Yeah, A is given and he is telling that it is a skew symmetric. Same again, use the definition of skew symmetric. 31. Yeah, det they are asking. I hope you all know very well how to calculate the det. Then find out the det of the given matrix and equate it to 45. You can get the unknown variable. 32 also same determinant. Calculating determinant is important, sir. Whatever the model question, but finding determinant is important. Here different model questions are there. 31 is one kind of question, 32 is another kind of question, 33 is another kind of question. But these all are related to determinants, so determinant questions are important. Next, question number 34. Here A is given, B is given, 2A plus B transpose and 3B transpose minus A. Yes. And 35 also important question, but just the substitutions. 36 also important. A times A transpose is equals to A transpose times A is equals to I. It is related to multiplication. Okay, without any confusion, learn multiplication of matrices. And adjoint and inverse of the matrix. Calculating adjoint and calculating inverse of the matrix also important, whatever the question it is. Next, question number 38. Here A is given 2, 4 minus 1k and A square is 0. Then find the value of k. Just find out A square because it is only 2 by 2 and equate it to null matrix and compare the corresponding elements. So you can get k is equals to negative 2. And question number 39. A is given, finding, they are asking us to calculate A square. Yeah, find out. You know I square is equals to minus 1. Next, calculating rank of, yeah, this model also important for the exam. Calculating rank, how to calculate the rank. I think you know all the properties. First we have to calculate determinant. After calculating determinant and all the sub square matrix of the given matrix we have to do. Then if that determinant also 0, then we can say that the rank of the matrix is 1. Okay. And next, determinant of A is not equal to 0. And question number 2, determinant of the matrix is not equals to 2. Then the rank will be 3. Question number 3, here also det is not equals to 3, then the rank is equals to order. Question number 4, submatrix we have written and its det calculated not equal to 0, then the rank is 3 because it is not square matrix. And question number 5, here also it is not a square matrix, so let us take a square submatrix and find out its det. It is not equal to 0, then the rank of the matrix is 2. And 41, these definitions are important, singular and non-singular. 42, word problem. We have to write the word problem in the form of a matrix and we have to calculate. This is also important for the exam. Next, addition of vectors. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector A. Okay, unit vector we have to calculate in the direction of the given vector. The formula is what? Suppose we need to calculate the unit vector in the direction of A bar, that is A bar divided by determinant of A bar. Yes, these questions are used for TS only. So A bar divided by determinant of A bar. So find out A bar first. Given A bar 2i plus 3j plus k, and magnitude of A bar, that is 14, then the vector is calculated. Similarly, second question also. If it is same direction, positive; if it is opposite direction, negative. Okay. Yes, Nani, these questions are related to TS only, TS IPE. Next, question number 45. Show that the points whose position vectors, position vectors are given and they are telling they are collinear when A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors. We have to show these are collinear. We can use the formula. If we get 0, then we can say that they are collinear vectors. Right? Collinear vectors definition also important. Questions related to collinear vector also important. So question number 45 and question number 46 also important. In question number 46, position vector of A, position vector of B, position vector of C is given, and they are telling AB is equals to lambda times AC. As usually, find out AB and AC and just substitute and simplify, we can get lambda value. Next, to 47, if the vectors are collinear, directly vectors are given and they are telling they are collinear. So we can use direct condition. A1 over A2 is equals to B1 over B2 is equals to C1 over C2, then we can get the required value. See, question number 48 also related to collinear vectors. Important, sir. The questions which are related to collinear are important for the exam. Find the vector OD. This is also just a substitution, sir. Question number 49, small question. Question number 50, parallelogram is given. Find the vector equation of the side BC they are asking. Vector equations are important. Related to vector equations also we can expect one question. The vector equation of the line passing through A bar and parallel to B bar is R bar is equals to A bar plus T bar. Like this we have 2 to 3 equations, that all equations are important. Related to that equations we can get the questions. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, they all are related to vector equations. All are important. Next, all are important means what I mean that model questions are important. Next, question number 55, A bar, B bar, C bar are position vectors of the vertices A, B and C respectively of triangle ABC. Then find the vector equation of the median through the vertex A. So here A is given, B is given, C is given, and what they are asking, this is also related to vector equation only, sir. Vector equation of the median to the vector A. So the vector equation is passing through A and passing through median, passing through midpoint of BC. So 2 points are given, then the vector equation. What is the vector equation? Passing through the 2 points. 1 minus T times A bar plus TV bar. And question number 56, is the triangle formed by the vectors equilateral? Find out all the magnitudes, all the sides magnitudes, calculate what is the magnitude of A, B, B, C, C, A. Next, to find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points. This is also same here. 3 vectors are given. What is the equation? 1 minus S minus T times A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar. See, most of the questions, not like most, many of the questions are related to vector equations. That's why I'm telling you, we can expect the question from vector equations in the exam. And 58, ABCDE is a pentagon. Sum of the vectors is lambda AC. Take all the sum and use triangle law of addition and simplify. Then you can get lambda is equals to 3. That's about addition of vectors. So in addition of vectors, substitutions, collinear, coplanar, and vector equations are important. Got it? Next, product of vectors. So in this product of vectors, so dot product and cross product both will be no. So the questions which are related to that two are same. First question is related to the questions related to dot product and cross product, both are important. So here first question is related to perpendicular to each other. If any two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their dot product is 0. They are using the same to do the question. 59, 60, both are same, both are important. Next to parallel vectors. Parallel like collinear only, sir. Parallel condition is like collinear. So A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. And question number 62, find the angle between the vectors. We can use that dot product formula. A bar dot B bar is equals to mod A mod B cos theta. From that we can get theta, where theta is the angle between the given two vectors. Question number 63, find the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the points. This is again equation. Find the angle between the planes. Angle between the planes, direct formula, n1 dot n2 divided by magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2, where n1 and n2 are the planes. Find the area of a parallelopipe. This is also direct formula and important. Next, projections also important, sir. Projections, length of the projections, both are important. Learn both the formulas and the related questions. Question number 67. A is equals to 2i plus 2j minus 3k, B is equals to 3i minus j plus 2k. Then find the angle between the 2a plus b and a plus 2b. First to find out 2a plus b and a plus 2b, then apply cos theta formula. 68, perpendicular vectors. Okay. Magnitude of a equal to 2, magnitude of b equal to 3, magnitude of c equal to 4, and each of a comma b comma c perpendicular to the sum of the other two vectors. Then find the magnitude of a plus b plus c. So all the three magnitudes are given. A, B, C are perpendicular to sum of the other two. So A is perpendicular to B plus C, B is perpendicular to C plus A, C is perpendicular to A plus B. Their sum is 0, it seems. Right. So find out what is A bar plus B bar plus C bar magnitude. Find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the vectors. So A bar cross B bar divided by magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Same formula. Okay, next is 71. A is given, B is given, asking A bar cross B bar and unit vector perpendicular to both. Same like 69. Important model. Next, theta is the angle between A and B, then find out sin theta. Sin theta formula apply directly. A bar cross B bar divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. And this is direct question. And 74. Magnitude of P is given, magnitude of Q is given, angle between P and Q is given. Find magnitude of P bar cross Q bar whole square. Directly calculate, sir. 75th also direct property. 76, area of a parallelogram having adjacent sides, that is A bar cross B bar magnitude. Find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are given. Magnitude of cross product of D1 and D2. That is only the area. And here given three vectors are coplanar. When three vectors are coplanar, then their box is 0. Okay, box ABC equal to 0 if ABC are coplanar. This model is important. The questions which are related to box ABC are important. Next, 79. Yeah, direct simplification. Question number 80 also related to box question. Question number 81 also related to box. Question number 82 also related to box. Question number 83, 1 by 2 E1 bar, 1 by 2 theta 1 bar, E1 bar, E1 bar minus E2 bar is equals to sin lambda theta, where E1 bar and E2 bar are unit vectors including an angle theta. Show that lambda is equals to 1 over 2. So given condition, take the given condition, do squaring on both the sides and simplify, we can get lambda value. Right, that's about vectors. Next to trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Trigonometry topic completely related to the formulas. First learn all the formulas perfectly. Then you can do the questions. Anyway, these are almost all the questions which are related to formula only. So question number 84, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, then cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. You have to find out that cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, right? From that sin theta find out, and multiplying with root 2 plus 1 on both the sides and simplify, you can get the answer. 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, 3 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Same model question. Question number 86, which is related to values. Cot 9, cot 27, cot 45, cot 63, cot 81. Okay, you see there cot 9, cot 63, cot 9, cot 81, sum is 90. Cot 27, cot 63, sum is 90. So the value is 1, and cot 45 anyway 1. Find the period of the following functions. Okay, learn the period of the trigonometric functions also. What is the period of sine, cos, tan? Okay. Here question number 1, f of x equal to tan 5x. F of x equal to tan 5x. What is the period of tan ax? Pi over modulus of a. So tan 5x is pi over mod 5. Next question number 88, cos 12 cos 132 plus cos 84 plus cos 156 equal to minus 1 over 2. This question also related to trigonometric values. So cos 12 plus cos 132 and cos 84 plus cos 156. Cos c plus cos d applied, transformations. Next to cos 100 cos 40 sin 100 sin 40. Yeah, what it is, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. Question number 90, cos 42 cos 78 plus cos 162. 42, 78, 162. Try to express everything in the same value, like 60 plus 78, 60 minus 78, 180 minus 18. 60 minus 18, 60 plus 18, 180 minus 18. And apply the formulas like cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Clear? Next one is 91. Find the maximum and minimum values of the following functions. F of x is given here. 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. So for minimum or maximum value, if the expression is like this, a cos x plus b sin x plus c plus r minus under root of a square plus b square is the formula. C plus r minus under root of a square plus b square is the formula. Plus sign represents maximum value, minus sign represents minimum value. If any expression is in the form a cos x plus b sin x plus c. And next, f of x equal to sin 2x minus cos 2x. What is the maximum value and minimum value? And next one is cos of x plus pi by 3 plus 2 root 2 sin of x plus pi by 3 minus 3. And again fourth one is same like 1. And the fifth one also same. So second and third questions are different. Sin 2x minus cos 2x, using same formulas here. And third one also same formula they are using, because theta is the same. No issues. These all are related to values. Question number 92 onwards. Sin square 82.5 minus sin square 22.5. 82.5, 22.5. Sin square a minus sin square b form, I think. Sin square a minus sin square b is equals to sin of a plus b times the sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b, that is 82.5 plus 22.5, 105. Sin of a minus b, 82.5 minus 22.5, that is sin 60. Simplify. What is sin 105? It is cos 50, or else sin 75. Next, number 2 also same. Cos square a minus sin square b is equals to cos a plus b times cos a minus b. And question number 3 is looking like same. Sin square A minus sin square B form, that is sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Question number 93, very important question. 1 by sin 10 degrees minus root 3 divided by cos 10 degrees equals to 4. So let us take LHS because they are asking us to prove it. Take LHS and take the LCM. Cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10. Multiply and divide with 2. Then we get 2 times 1 over 2 cos 10 minus root 3 over 2 times sin 10. Here also 1 by 2 and 2. Then we get that 2 times this 1 over 2 also will go up, so it becomes 4 times, that is cos of A plus B formula, cos of 60 plus 10, and denominator is 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A. So finally we are getting 4. Question number 94, also important question. Secant theta plus tan theta equal to 2 over 3. Find the value of sin theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Okay, secant theta plus tan theta equal to 2 over 3, then secant theta minus tan theta equal to 3 over 2. Right? We can get tan theta, or else tan theta we can get. From tan theta we can get all the trigonometric ratios. Right? They are asking us to calculate only sin theta, and tan theta negative, sin theta also negative, then theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. And question number 95. Show that cos power 4 alpha plus 2 cos square alpha times 1 minus 1 by secant square alpha. Completely related to trigonometric identities. This question is completely related to trigonometric identities. So 1 minus 1 by secant square alpha is there. How do you simplify that? 1 by secant square alpha is cos square alpha. 1 minus cos square alpha is sin square alpha. So 2 cos square alpha sin square alpha. Let us take cos square alpha common. Then we get cos square alpha plus 2 sin square alpha. That is nothing but 1 plus sin square alpha. So cos square alpha into 1 plus sin square alpha, nothing but 1 minus sin for 4 alpha. Because cos square alpha is 1 minus sin square alpha, right? Do you understand? Completely related to trigonometric identities. 96 also same, related to trigonometric identities only. That's why I told you in the beginning itself. Complete trigonometry topic is related to formula based. 97. X is equals to 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Then find the value of 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Yeah, just rationalize the denominator to get the answer. Yes. Rationalizing model also important, sir. And this 98 question number 98, this model question is also important. Tan 20 degrees is P, then prove that tan 610 degrees plus tan 700 degrees divided by tan 560 degrees minus tan 470 degrees equal to 1 minus P square divided by 1 plus P square. So here 610 degrees can be written as, first let us see how much more it is than 360. So 250 more, then directly directly we can write a tan 250, and 700 which is closer to 720, so minus 20, 560 plus 200, 470 plus 110. Now try to express everything in terms of 20. 250 is there, 270 minus 20, 200 is there, 180 plus 20, 110 is there, 90 plus 20. Like that everything expressed in terms of 20, and substitute tan 20 is equals to P and simplify. That's it. Question number 99. What is question number 99? Draw the graph of y equal to tan x in between 0 and pi by 4. This is simple. And question number 2. Draw the graph of y equal to cos square x in between 0 and from 0 to pi. Yeah, take the values and draw it. What is there? Y equal to sin 2x also. Next, question number 100. if theta is not multiple of pi by 2, prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 tan 8 theta equal to cot theta. So this is really important question, and here we cannot do this question directly. We can use one of the condition, like tan a equal to cot a minus 2 cot a, or else we can write cot a minus tan a is equals to 2 cot 2a. Cot a minus tan a is equals to 2 cot 2a we can apply. From that identity we can get the complete answer we can get from that. Okay, this question is really important question. Question number 100. It is also important for competitive also. Prove that 4 times cos 66 plus sin 84. Cos 66 plus sin 84, we have to simplify just. Sin 84 is nothing but cos 6, cos c plus cos d applied, and substitute everything. Next 102, cos 20, cos 40, sin 5, sin 25. Okay, sin cos are there, but everything is not like cos c, yeah, 2 cos a cos b formula applied, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 sin a sin b formula applied, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, and simplified, right? And then next 103, yeah, this model also important. In triangle ABC, none of them equal to 90, then prove that tan a plus tan b plus tan c equal to tan a tan b tan c. So a plus b plus c equal to 180, then a plus b equal to pi minus c, tan of a plus b equal to tan of pi minus c. Try to simplify. If you simplify, we can get directly, yeah. And 104, sin theta equal to negative 1 over 3. Theta does not lie in the third quadrant, so theta must be in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. Cos theta is positive, right? So cos square theta is equals to, this is simple question, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 105, find the cosine function whose period is 7. Find the cosine function whose period is 7. The period of cos ax is 2 pi over mod a, that equal to 7, then mod a equal to 2 pi by 7, then cos of 2 pi by 7x. Find a sine function whose period is 2 by 3. F of x is equals to sin ax, then the period will be 2 over 3 it seems, so the sine function will be sine of 3 pi x, same like 105. But that model is important. When the period is given, calculating trigonometric ratio model is important. Okay, and next 107, prove that cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees equal to cot 36. So here right side is cot, left side we have only cos, so convert everything in terms of either tan or cot. So if we convert everything in terms of tan, by taking cos 9 degrees common, 1 plus tan 9 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 9 degrees, that equal to cot 36. Okay, so yes sir, because tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b equal to tan of a plus b, or else simply 1 minus 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a is tan of pi by 4 plus a. So here tan of 45 plus 9. Next question number 108, cos theta is given and theta is in second quadrant, then what is sin 2 theta? Simply sin 2 theta formula write down. What is that? 2 sin theta cos theta, right? And next 109, for what values of x in the first quadrant, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x is positive. for what values of x, means he is asking us to calculate x value, but it is looking like 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a, that is tan 2a, so it is tan 2x. So tan 2x is greater than 0, right? Tan 2x is greater than 0, so 0 lie between 0 and 90. So 0 lies between, x lies between 0 and pi by 4. Okay, clear? Next, question number 110. This model also important. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is equals to 2 cos theta by 2. So square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. If you take 2 common in the middle, you get 1 plus cos 4 theta. You know 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. So 1 plus cos 4 theta equal to 2 cos square 2 theta. So 2 times 2 cos square 2 theta is 4 cos square 2 theta. That will be 2 cos 2 theta. Again same process, 2 take common, 1 plus cos 2 theta. So that you get 2 cos square theta. It will become 4 cos square theta, that is 2 plus 2 cos theta. 2 taken common, 2 times 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square a by 2. It will become 4 cos square theta by 2. That could be 2 cos theta by 2. So simple, right? But it is important. This model question is also important. Next question number is to sin 2 alpha divided by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. So let us take sin 2 alpha divided by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Right side part we can take. Sin 2 alpha is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha. 2 gets cancelled, cos alpha gets cancelled, it will become tan alpha. And from that they are asking us to calculate what is tan 15. Sin alpha equal to 15 degrees, substitute there. Sin 30 divided by 1 plus cos 30, that could be 2 minus root 3. And they are asking us to calculate tan 22.5 degrees. Then put alpha equal to 22.5. Then we get a tan 22.5 degrees is equals to sin 45 divided by 1 plus cos 45. 1 over root 2 divided by 1 plus 1 over root 2. Then it could be root 2 minus 1. So that's about trigonometry after transformations. And periodicity questions also included, no, in the middle, right? Next, hyperbolic functions. Question number 112. From question number 112 onwards, hyperbolic functions is there. Yeah, from these hyperbolic functions also we can expect the questions. Let us see question number 112. Cos hx is given. Generally cos hx is equals to, what is the formula? E power x plus e power minus x by 2. Okay, and here cos hx is given and asking what is cos h2x and sin h2x. First let us try to find out what is sin hx. Okay, so after calculating sin hx, we can do anything what they are asking. So here cos h square x minus sin h square x is equals to 1. Then if we substitute that cos hx is equals to 5 by 2, we get the sin hx value. After getting sin hx value, they are asking us to calculate cos h2x. Cos h2x is equals to 2 cos h square x minus 1. And sin h2x also they are asking. Sin h2x is 2 sin hx cos hx. Substitute and simplify. Question number 113 also same. Sin hx is given, cos h2x they are asking, and sin h2x they are asking. Use the identity cos h square x minus sin h square x is equals to 1 and find out the value of cos hx. Then cos h2x and sin h2x values find out. Okay. Any formula we can apply. Cos h2x is equals to 2 cos h square x minus 1, or else cos h2x is equals to 1 plus 2 sin h square x. Any formula we can apply. Next 114, cos hx equal to secant theta. Yeah, hyperbolic to trigonometry. Important model, hyperbolic to trigonometry. So cos hx is equals to secant theta. Then prove that tan h square x by 2 is equals to tan square theta by 2. Tan h square x by 2 is equals to cos hx minus 1 divided by cos hx plus 1. So cos hx is equals to secant theta, it seems. Secant theta minus 1 divided by secant theta plus 1. 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is what? 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is what? 2 cos square theta by 2. So what we are getting? Tan square theta by 2. Simple. Right? And next question number 115. That all are identities what we use it to solve that question number 114 in the boxes they have given. And 115, this is also related to identities only. Sin h of x plus y and cos h of x plus y formulas. Directly substitute and simplify, we can get it. Question number 115. Next, question number 116. Yeah, cos hx minus sin hx whole power n is equals to cos h nx minus sin h nx for n belongs to r. Generally we can use okay, prove that this one. Achha. Take LHS cos hx minus sin hx whole power n. First simplify cos hx minus sin hx. What are we getting? E power minus x we can get whole to the power of n. E power x whole power, e power minus x whole power n. E power minus nx. E power minus nx, substitute sir. E power minus nx if we substitute cos h of minus nx and okay, that is only LHS, right? E power minus nx. Yeah, let it be LHS. And take RHS cos h nx and minus sin h nx. Again use the basic formulas, E formulas, e power x plus e power minus x formulas apply and simplify, you can get e power minus nx at last. So in LHS we are getting e power minus nx and in RHS also we are getting e power minus nx. LHS equal to RHS. Direct substitutions. Second question also direct substitution, that is LHS and RHS. LHS is e power x, LHS is e power nx, RHS also e power nx. Next, question number 117. Look at this question. Cos h power 4x minus sin h power 4x is equals to cos h to x. It is looking like we can express that cos h power 4x minus sin h power 4x as cos h square x whole square minus sin h square x whole square. It is looking like a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times a plus b. From that we can write cos h square x minus sin h square x and cos h square x plus sin h square x. We know that cos h square x minus sin h square x is 1 and cos h square x plus sin h square x is cos h to x. Okay, substitute the two values, we are getting cos h to x, that is nothing but RHS. Clear? Next, 118, theta belongs to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Okay, and x is given here. What is x? Log of cot of pi by 4 plus theta. Then prove that sin hx is equals to tan 2 theta and cos hx is equals to secant 2 theta. If we eliminate this logarithm, we can get e power x is equals to cot of pi by 4 plus theta. E power minus x is equals to tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Cos hx is nothing but e power x minus x over 2. So e power x is cot of pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 plus theta whole divided by 2. Okay, if we simplify that, what we get? We can get sin hx. Yes or no? Here it is there. Cot of pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Cot A minus tan A formula. Cot A minus tan A. Okay. Cot A minus tan A is equals to 2 cot 2A, no sir? That one applied. And their cot A plus tan A is equals to 2 cosecant 2A. Is it clear? These model questions important, sir. What I mean to say, these model questions are important. Next, question number 119. U is equals to log of tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. From this also we can get e power u. E power u is equals to tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. And cos hu they are asking e power u plus e power minus u divided by 2. Substitute the values tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 plus cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Simplify, you can get the answer. Same like above question. Similar question it is. 118. Next 120. Tan h of x minus y is equals to tan hx minus tan hy divided by 1 minus tan hx tan hy. This is also proof. So take RHS, express everything in terms of sin and cos, and take the LCM. Sin hx cos hy minus cos hx sin hy, that is a sin h of x minus y, and cos hx cos hy minus sin hx sin hy, that is a sin denominator is what? Cos h of x minus y, sin by cos, obviously it is tan, so tan h of x minus y. Okay. Next, question number 121. So what is question number 121? Cos hx divided by 1 minus tan hx plus sin hx divided by 1 minus cot hx, which is equals to sin hx plus cos hx. This model question is also important. Here simply we can take LHS. Here in the denominator is there in tan and cot. Let us write the tan and cot in terms of sin and cos, so that we can get cos h square x divided by cos hx minus sin hx, and sin h square x divided by sin hx minus cos hx. If we take the LCM, cos h square x minus sin h square x divided by cos hx minus sin hx will come. If we simplify that, cos hx plus sin hx will be the final answer. Understood everywhere? Okay, take an LCM. Different denominators are there. Cos hx minus sin hx, sin hx minus cos hx. So minus taken common, then the same denominator we can get cos hx minus sin hx. So that cos h square x minus sin h square x will come. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b times a minus b we can write. And cos hx minus sin hx gets cancelled. Then cos hx plus sin hx will be left. And question number 122, tan h inverse x formula proof. This is proofs. Yeah, previously they asked, so better learn it. Let x belongs to negative 1 comma 1 and y equal to tan h inverse of x. Okay, then x will be tan hy. X will be tan hy. Okay. So tan h inverse of x is equals to y we are taking, and here x is equals to tan hy. Tan hy formula write down, e power y minus e power minus y divided by e power y plus e power minus y. Componendo dividendo. Apply componendo dividendo. Questions which are related to componendo and dividendo also important, sir. So apply that rule and simplify. Directly you are getting e power minus 2y. E power minus 2y you are getting. So e power 2y is equals to x plus 1 by x minus 1. E power minus e power 2i only, no? Yeah, e power 2i is equals to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x you are getting. Then 2i is equals to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then y is equals to 1 over 2 times log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, where y is nothing but tan h inverse of x. Done. 123. Asked so many times. Show the tan h inverse of 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2 log 3 to the base e. Same like above. In the above formula, just substitute it, or else do the process of above question, what we do in the above. Question number 124. Sin hx is given. Yeah, this is also same like above. Okay, na sir? And the last topic is properties of triangles. Properties of triangles also, formula is important. Sine rule, cosine rule, tangent rule, projection rule, and half angle formulas, area formulas, in radius, x radius, x radi, and circumradius. These all formulas are important. And let us look into some questions here. Question number 125. In an equilateral triangle, find the value of r over r. In an equilateral triangle means all the sides are same and all the angles are same. R over r they are asking. Write the formula for r over r. 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 divided by r. So here everything is 60. Substitute everything. R gets cancelled, and then we are getting 1 over 2. Right? Question number 126. 3, 4, 5 is given and asking circumcenter. Circumradius, capital R they are asking. Capital R is equals to ABC by 4 delta. ABC already given. Delta calculate. Delta is nothing but area of the triangle. And 127, summation of b plus c cos a is equals to 2s. Apply summation, and b plus c cos a is there. B cos a plus c cos a. Take projection rule and simplify. 128 also same like above. Question number 126 model. 129 just simplify directly. And 130, yeah, 130 also direct simplification, so only half angle formulas. 131, relation between a comma b comma c, tan a by 2 tan c by 2, formulas write down and simplify. 132, cot a by 2 formula write down. Cot a by 2 is equals to b plus c over a. B is equals to cosine rule apply, sine rule apply. And next 133, r1 cot a by 2 direct formula this is. 134, c minus b cos a divided by b minus c cos a equal to cos b minus cos c. This is LHS. Take LHS and simplify, sir. Use c and b as a projection rule formulas. And a is given, bc is given, so we can get a value also from this, and use the sine rule to get the value of a, value of c, I think, value of c. 136 also same, cosine rule we have to apply. 137 also, 3 sides are given and ask the angle. 138 also same. 139 also, ratios given, angles ratio is given, we can do it easily. 140, a square plus b square minus c square by c square plus a square minus b square. Yeah, simplify directly. Cosine rule. 149 projection rule, and 142 related to in radius, 142 related to equilateral triangle, and 143 related to x radi in radi. 144 also property. 145, 146, these all are related to in radius and x radius questions, sir. So all are formula related questions. Okay, thank you.